Hello, and welcome to the second video update of the Lunabotics mechanical team. We are Senior Design Team number 7. Our advisor is Dr. Philip Packham. Our team leader is Dan Gower. Our team members are Perry Orthy, James Sweeson, and I am Kaylee Robertson. I wanted to start by summarizing what was covered in our last video. We had cleaned up the Lunabot lab, creating a functional workspace. We began work on our design document. We submitted purchase orders for the first iteration of our robot. Since that video, our purchase order was split into 3 parts for administrative purposes, and we have currently received the first part of our order, including framing materials, pulleys, and sprockets. These materials will be used to create a prototype robot that we will learn from and hopefully be able to reuse most of the parts to create our final design. We have begun hand calculations, analyzing failure for our final design of the robot. We started shaft design for the dumping system and static failure analysis for the triangular subframe of the collection system. In addition to these calculations, we worked on and completed the first draft of our design document. We analyzed the triangular subframe of the collection system as 3 members. We discovered that the calculations were statically indeterminate and are beginning calculations using material properties. We began shaft design for the dumping system, and at the advice of our advisor, are putting shaft, bearing, and chain design on hold and beginning static analysis on the dumping system. Once we complete static analysis on the subframes of the dumping and collection system, we will begin static analysis of the frame that those subframes will be connected to, and then we will start on our mechanics of solids calculations, and then we will continue on to bearing, chain, and shaft design. The majority of our time the past 2 weeks has been spent on completing the first iteration of our design document, which was submitted on Friday the 18th to our advisor. The next steps we will be taking are to continue a complete static analysis of our collection and dumping systems, beginning to build when the rest of our purchase order comes in, and continuing to refine our design document as we further analyze and test our design. Thank you, and we will be updating our progress in another 2 weeks.